Let's learn about daily use cooking verbs. Add,
To put something in a dish or mixture.
bake,
To cook in an oven using dry heat.
barbecue,
To cook food over an open flame or grill.
boil,
To cook in boiling water or liquid.
chop,
To cut into small pieces with a knife or other sharp tool.
cut,
To divide into pieces with a knife or other cutting tool.
fry,
To cook in hot oil or fat. To
grate,
shred food into small pieces using a grater.
layer,
To arrange food in layers in a dish.
melt,
To change from a solid to a liquid state by heating.
mix,
To combine ingredients together.
peel,
To remove the outer layer of something, such as fruit or vegetables.
pinch,
To take a small amount of something between your fingers.
pour,
To transfer a liquid from one container to another.
roast,
To cook in an oven using dry heat.
roll out,
To flatten dough using a rolling pin.
saute,
To cook in a small amount of oil or fat over high heat.
scramble,
To cook eggs by stirring them in a pan.
simmer,
To cook in liquid over low heat.
slice,
To cut into thin pieces.
spread,
To apply a thin layer of something over a surface.
steam,
To cook over boiling water in a covered pot.
taste.
To sample food to check its flavor. Thanks for watching.